We got most of this closet knocked out. All the shelves all trimmed out. Good morning, gentlemen. You guessed it, running late. And today we're we're gonna finish the master bedroom closet today. I think that should be it for shelves on the whole house. Got a bunch of baseboard to put in, which is always a good time. And then we'll put a freaking put a door in the basement, and I don't really know what else we got to do. I don't know how many more days of work we should have on this house. Not very many, but yeah, just trying to make it to work at a decent hour at this point. Most of this closet knocked out. All the shelves all trimmed out. Baseboard's done where we ripped it out. Cubby's only thing left is a cabinet down in there. And rods. This looks pretty sick. Alright, we just got off work, ended up knocking out a good bit of those shelves, which is good news for sure. Situation at the Sunrise, we have a machine that keeps eating cash. The owner texted me about it Sunday, and I told her I'd go in there Sunday night. But then I drove home and completely spaced it. That's the day I was driving home from Bozeman. So that's ass, but we'll go in there, and if it's just eating cash, it should be a pretty easy fix. And if not, it won't be that easy. I don't know. We'll see exactly what's going on with the thing. Alright, so we're at the machine now, and we had vapes piled up here all jammed up. And the reason they're jammed is this deal below here can't even see it really. There's a screw back here that's not connected, and I got no room to get in there and get it in. But it's a simple matter of getting this screw in here. It's just a pain on the ass because it's tight, but we should be able to get it and be back up and running. All right, we got our bolt back in, and we can close now. See, that little bolt right there was out, and when this prevents people from grabbing a vape, and it wouldn't go up, and then it would jam the thing from closing again. But we got our screw back in there closed. The thing is, the screw fits the size for this black piece. I don't know if you can see that. Fits the size for this black piece, but not behind it, so it's got some wiggle room, and it's just about the right length to where I could see it falling out again. And if it does, we'll just get a bigger screw for that, do it all over again. But as of now, we're looking good. Ran some transactions, everything fell properly. So yeah, we are back in business on this machine. Quick soda to celebrate.
So we got this is not.
All right, we're leaving the bar now. Vending machine's dialed in, which is sick. It was a little bit, I don't know, not even worrisome, just annoying for a second, but we should be good to go. Hopefully there's no more issues in there, and if there is, I'll probably know what the issue is. But yeah, grabbed a beer. I'm gonna go grab some dinner, and then hopefully get home and edit up some flicks tonight. Had a big lost wallet going on for the past few days, and guess what she just did?
You found the wallet.
Yeah, good job. That's sick. We're leaving dinner